Hello, in this video I want to show you if Fortnite is available for OPPO A94 5G. So first let's check Google Play Store, but as we all know the game shouldn't be available here, but we can always try. No results is found. Now let's move on to the Epic Games app, which you can download from Epic Games Store website. And on this platform there shouldn't be any problem and the game should be found here, but let's retry that. So here we have a Fortnite. Let's click get, and this device is not supported, so that means you can't play Fortnite on OPPO A94 5G. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.